Hi everyone, I will demonstrate how to make a simple balcony in this video. Begin by selecting the box tool from the standard primitives. Use the box tool to construct the floor portion of the balcony. In the parameters part, adjust the length, width and height to your desired dimension. Then create another box to make the balcony railing. For the next box, I go to the edit and click clone and then copy. Then copy of a new box is created in the same position. From the layers, I turn off the first box and change the color and the length of the other one. Next step is select edit poly from the modifier list. I choose the polygon from the selection and delete the top, bottom and part of the box using edit poly. So I click on the selected edge to connect the base of the balcony and the box on top, which will form the railing. After I connect the adjoining section and adjust the segments, I follow the same procedure on the remaining surfaces. Once the process is complete, go to the modifier list and I choose lattice. From the struts settings, I can customize my design by altering the numerical values. Then I select iCOSA in the geodesic base type section and then finalize the design. Thank you for watching.